The Daily 2 is brought to you by Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. Welcome to the Daily 2. I'm Laura Polka. January is Glaucoma Awareness Month. And joining us now to talk more about this is glaucoma specialist and ophthalmologist Dr. Wei Wang with Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
What is glaucoma and why are there no symptoms often?
So glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that damages the optic nerve. Optic nerve is part of central nerve system. It carries visual information from the eye to the brain. When optic nerve damage, it cannot regenerate. That's why vision loss from glaucoma is permanent, and glaucoma affects the peripheral field of vision. So at the early stage, most people do not have any symptoms.
Wow, and why is it important to raise awareness? The numbers are growing, right?
Yes, so glaucoma affects 2% of adults in the United States age over 40, and with about 3 million people with population is aging. It's estimated 4 million people will have glaucoma by 2030, 6 million people will have glaucoma by 2060. However, half of the people who have glaucoma don't know they have the disease.
Now, there are some high-risk groups, and I want you to tell us what those groups are. And they should get an exam every 1 to 2 years, is that right?
Yes. So high-risk group, African American people, they have when they are age over 40, they have 6 to 8 times more likely to get glaucoma than white. And everybody else age 60 over, especially Hispanic and with a family history, increase the risk of glaucoma 4 to 6 times.
So really early detection is the key.
I agree.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Wei Wang. We appreciate your being here with Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. And if you'd like more information about glaucoma, you can go to the website on your screen, goodsenses.com. For the Daily 2, I'm Laura Polka.